looking like a baddie. I show up and make them stop. Wanna know my name so badly, cause I run this whole block. Flip my hair, move my head, show the world I'm royalty. When I walk by, they be taking bows, cause they know I'm a queen, yeah. Move it, groove it, groove it. They wanna know just how I do it when I do it, do it. I got that magic touch, it's a rush, pulsing through my veins. When I show up, everybody knows that I'ma change the game. Just how I do it when I do it, do it. I got that magic touch, it's a rush, pulsing through my veins. When I show up, everybody knows that I'ma change the game.
Happy anniversary, Shorty Achievers!
So you know the 10th year anniversary is a celebration of not the founders, but it's a celebration of all of you.
We are gathered here for our 10th year celebration. So congratulations to us. Ang Shurkin ay nabuo hindi lang dahil sa amin. Ang Shurkin ay nabuo kundi dahil sa ating lahat. Nilook forward natin, tumagal pa yung organization, mas marami pang matulungan, mas marami pang ma-inspire, and then mas marami pang pangarap na maabot.
Lahat pala ng pangarap can become a reality. No? So ikaw, seller, ikaw, leader who's starting in the industry, just keep on dreaming. And of course, kailangan mo lang trabahuin yan. Nandoon dapat yung commitment. Nandoon dapat yung mga sacrifices. Kanina it was mentioned. They are more than willing to sacrifice more. Kasi kung ngayon, meron na sila napatunayan, meron sila na-achieve, they are more than willing pa to sacrifice. Kasi meron pa silang gusto makuha sa industriya. Your event is a testament to how passionate your leaders are para i-upgrade ang performance ng bawat isa.
Ang mga tao na napili sa akin ng 2019 are all full-time sellers na araw-araw yung ginagawa ang negosyo at matatawag ko na naging sundalo ng Shurkin Achievers. Ang mga totoong humarap sa mga hamon ng buhay at industriya. Hindi kami magaling na sales manager, pero kami ang humarang, ang naging sandata, naging sundalo sa lahat ng magiging unos ng Showhomes Realty. Kaya kung magtataka kayo, bakit kami nakapunta sa buhay na meron kami ngayon? Because we produce massive sales. Walang problema sa pasok ng benta, pero kaakibat niyan, ang dagsad ng isang different problems, emotions, struggles, good and bad choices. But still, every day is a learning process. Kaya sa araw-araw naming ginagawa ni Carlo at ng team, pinipili naming solusyonan ng mga circumstances. Mas lalo kaming gumagaling at mas nagiging extraordinary. If you have faith kay God, na pinagkukuhanan mo ng lakas ng loob kahit hindi mo nakikita si Lord, have faith in the business na ikaw nararamdaman na at kumikita ka na. Have the faith in the business kahit alam mong wala pang nangyayari. Humbling down, kahit anong mangyari sa'yo, always put your feet on the ground kasi lahat ng meron tayo ay bigay lang ni Lord. Blessing lang lahat yan sa atin. What we give doesn't always return. But what we give is always what we are. To my business managers, I never speak a lot, but please know that we appreciate you, we value you, at higit sa lahat, mahal na mahal namin kayo na parang mga kapatid na namin. At sa lahat ng mga ampun namin at naging kapatid, sa nanay at tatay namin dito sa Shorkin Achievers, nandito kami ni Carlo para magpaabot ng taos-puso naming pasasalamat, and that's why we really spend time to celebrate our 10th year anniversary with you. To Shorkin Achievers, maraming salamat at mahal na mahal namin kayo.